Hey everybody, and welcome to another very viral video tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how can you make your TikTok account private. So before we begin, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and turn off those bell notification. Let's get started. So you can see here my mobile screen, and here I'm going to click my TikTok account, and then you can see here MU. So click on that, and then you can see the interface of my account, and we go on this three dot, and then you can see here privacy and settings. Click on that, and then you can see here private account. So if I want to make private account, then I will just enable this, and it will enable, and then it will be private account. So in this way you can make your account private. And again, if you want to make it public, then we'll go same, and we will change into public account. So in this way we can change our privacy and make our account as per we need. So this has been a very viral video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.